Hello everybody. Today we talk about 10 free AI tools that are just way better than their paid counterparts. No, ChatGPT is not one of them. So stick around because I'm going to show you guys some really cool stuff today. For the first one, we've got Luminar. Now this AI tool can do so much, especially for photo editing. It can remove objects from your images automatically by simply selecting them in the app and then hit remove. And it does such a good job that it's honestly sometimes indistinguishable from something that would have been shot without the object there to begin with. Not only that, but you can also use it for portrait retouching. So if you want to smooth out wrinkles, age spots, or blemishes, it can do that as well. You can also use it to expand your photos. So if you have an image like this, and you want to expand it to fill the crop, it will actually use AI to generate what goes in between the original image, intelligently expanding your image with whatever was in between to begin with. Or you can do the same thing with sky replacement. Just select sky, hit replace, and then pick out any sky you'd like. There's a ton of presets built in. You don't need to use your own image. It all seamlessly blends everything together to make it look like it was all shot at once with that sky. It even has a feature called Sky Enlarger that uses AI to blow up the sky in your photo to make it look more epic, more dramatic. And here's another example of a photo that I shot that I took to Luminar. And I used the Sky Enlarger on it, and you can definitely tell the difference. And on top of all that, you can also use it to add overlays to your images. So if you want something like golden hour, you can easily do that. The VA also recently rolled out a new video showing you how to get cinematic color grading done through the use of their overlays. So if you're really looking for a great alternative to something like Color Cinch, or even something like DaVinci Resolve, Luminar might be able to help you out. This is normally a paid app that costs $79, but they are currently offering a free trial version of their software that you can check out before you buy it. But if you're looking for a completely free alternative, I've got you covered because the next tool is 100% free, and it's actually the most popular free photo editor in the world. Which brings us to our next tool, Canva. Canva is a great all-in-one design tool that you can use to create things like thumbnails, Instagram stories, banners, presentations, logos, and of course photos. It's super easy to use and has a drag-and-drop interface. You can also tap into the power of AI through the use of their text-to-image generator, which is Where. You can type in any prompt you like, and it'll spit you out with something that looks similar. You can also use their background remover tool to remove the background from your images and put them in front of other images, or just clean up your images. And if you want to take things to the next level, you can also use their logo maker tool to create a professional-looking logo in seconds. And the best part is that Canva is completely free. They do have a pro version that gives you access to more fonts and graphics, but their base function is completely free to use, which makes it a perfect alternative to something like Adobe Photoshop. Our next tool is Jasper. Now, Jasper is a really powerful suite for creators. It can help you write blog posts, create ad copy, generate product ideas, generate business names, and even create video scripts. And while most of these tools require a paid plan to use, there are two very useful AI tools that are available to everyone for completely free. The first one is their AI image generator. So you can type in any prompt you like, and it'll spit you out with an image that looks similar. And you've probably seen examples of this before. But what sets Jasper AI image generator apart from something like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion is the fact that you can actually use it to generate images based off of a specific style. So if you want something that looks like an oil painting, or maybe you want it to look like it was generated by a specific artist, you can actually do that. Here is an example of me asking it to generate an image of a sunset in the style of Van Gogh. And as you can see, it did a pretty darn good job. The second free tool that Jasper offers is their AI Art Reimaginer. With this tool, you can upload your own photo, and then Jasper will use AI to reimagine that photo and spit you out with something that's completely unique. Take a look at this. I uploaded a picture of my drone and asked it to reimagine it as a realistic oil painting, and as you can see, it created something that's completely unique and different, but still resembles my drone. This is such a cool tool, and while you do need a paid account to use most of Jasper, these two AI tools are completely free to use forever. Next up, we've got Phrase. Now, Phrase is a really powerful SEO writing tool that can help you write better blog posts, create better ad copy, and even generate ideas for your content. Now, normally you need a paid account to use Phrase, but they do offer a limited free plan that allows you to use all of their features except for their surfer and rank tracking. So this includes things like their tone detector, outline generator, word and sentence count tool, and their AI writing assistant. So if you're looking for a completely free alternative to something like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid, Phrase is a great option. Next up, we've got Design Gradients. Now, this one isn't necessarily an AI tool, but it is an online tool that uses AI to analyze millions of websites and then spits you out with the most popular color palettes. So if you're looking for inspiration for your own project, or maybe you just want to see what colors are trending right now, Design Gradients is a great place to start. Next up, we've got Pika Art. Now, Pika Art is a text-to-image generator similar to Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. But what sets it apart is the fact that it has lower resolution settings. So if you're looking for something that generates images faster and takes less processing power, Pika Art might be a great alternative for you. You can choose between 16:9 or 3:2 aspect ratios and resolutions ranging all the way down to 64:64 pixels. And while it might not seem like that big of a difference, generating images at a lower resolution is going to save you a lot of time and energy, especially if you're planning on generating a bunch of images. And the best part is that Pika Art is completely free to use. All right, we've made it halfway down the list, and so far I've shown you guys a bunch of free AI tools that do not require a credit card. If you're interested in learning more about AI and how you can use it to build a business, let's move on to our next tool. Our next tool is Copy AI. Now, Copy AI is a tool that helps you write better ad copy. It can generate headlines, body copy, and even taglines. All you need to do is type in your product or service and then select the type of copy you want generated, and it'll do the rest. Copy AI is completely free to use, and they offer a generous free plan that allows you to use all of their features except for their advanced copywriting and their visual content. So if you're looking for a completely free alternative to something like Copy AI, our next tool is Free SEO Analyzer. This is a free tool that helps you analyze your website's SEO. You can use it to check your website's performance, get suggestions for improvement, and track your rankings. You can also use it to audit your website's backlinks and find out who's linking to your site. You can also use it to analyze your competitors' websites and see how you stack up against them. Free SEO Analyzer is completely free to use, and it is a great tool for anyone who wants to improve their website's SEO. And lastly, we've got Unsplash. Now, Unsplash is a website that offers a massive library of royalty-free images that you can use for personal or commercial projects. You can use it to find images for your website, social media, or even print. Unsplash is completely free to use, and they offer a wide variety of images to choose from. And while Unsplash isn't necessarily an AI tool, it is a tool that uses AI to suggest images based on your search query. So if you're looking for a free alternative to something like Shutterstock or Istock, Unsplash is a great option. If you want to learn more about AI, stay tuned because we have a ton of videos coming up.